everybody, my name is Gunjan Chawla. I was born in Cochin and brought up in Coimbatore. As my name says it all, I'm actually from a Punjabi family, but I've put up in Tamil Nadu, Coimbatore only. So basically I started my career at the age of 15 and now it's been straight 8 years that I'm into this field. Well, I started my career first along with a short film, and then slowly I started getting into shoots, and I am more fond of photo shoots and video ads. So I thought it's been 8 years, it's been a really long time being into the industry, and so now it's the right time that I get into the next step of my career. So as I've taken the next step towards my career, which I've joined a YouTube channel and it's called OHO Explore. So yes, here you'll be finding all amazing explorers and we'll be exploring all over about the food, the places, and we'll be having a lot of entertainment for you guys. So if you guys want to watch more videos like these, and also if you want to watch me on this YouTube channel and in more episodes, then please don't forget to subscribe the channel and also like, share and subscribe it. Thank you.